Welcome, guys. We are back with another delicious Jamaican Sunday dinner. Today, we are making cow foot and Barbie fried chicken. Well, I'm going to try to make the Barbie fried chicken because my husband thinks I can't fry chicken, so I'm going to show him today some have views. Okay, guys, stay tuned. We have lots more coming up. Okay, guys, I just got home from work, and yes, the dinner is on the way. Chef Cotta in the building. Okay, him say me must French fry the chicken, and he know me can't fry chicken, now, but it's okay. Me I gonna do something today. I'm sure him. Okay, don't worry yourself. Me I gonna French fry the chicken. It's okay. And here come out.
Guys, this is the part 2 of the cow foot. Rub him up here now, and I go add him to the pot. Yeah. So we throw it in, you know. And the part 2. The part 1 already. So we are set up part 2 now. Okay, that's how it looks. Yeah. Looking nice. Oh yeah. Never had some warm water tea.
Well, it says Sunday dinner on the way. Oh God, look upon the cow foot. Cow foot looking nice, guys. Oh yes. Okay, guys, I'm all set up to fry my chicken. So I'm just gonna beat up 2 eggs. That's how I do it. I don't know how you guys do it. And I'm gonna dip my chicken in the egg, then in the flour. And the flour here just have like a Maggi seasoning, and the chicken already seasoned. All right, so I'm ready to roll. Just to have a little hot. It's good. Just like that. Okay, I have some chicken frying there, so and now we're gonna add some seasoning to the cow foot. Looking so good, guys. Alright, let the color on that. Alright, guys, my chicken I look good. Let me turn it. Oh yes, chicken looking like KFC French fried chicken. Yes, me have used, me can do something. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be taking out my chicken now. Chicken looking really nice. There we go. Okay, guys, my fried chicken is ready, and I'm going to mix up some sauce. Right now I just have like ketchup and barbecue sauce with a bit of sugar. I'm gonna put this on the chicken, and then we can put it in the oven. Guys, if you want, you could add hot pepper to this sauce here to spice it up a bit, spice up your chicken. But because of the kids, I won't be doing that today. guys. Cold foot looking nice.
Get soft, you know. Bone and drop off this. Very rich. I'm gonna put no ketchup on them.
What do you say, cook? Hot come. Almost ready, guys. Okay, gonna put some bean on the butter bean. Sorry, some nice butter bean on the cold foot, guys. Looking good. What are you having? Big ol' Sunday, yeah, mix syrup. Tell us some more syrup. You want some syrup? Yeah. No carrot juice this evening, people. I don't know who I make syrup for. No syrup. People drink syrup anyway. One time I don't see syrup. I'm frying my plantain now. I'm turning these plantain now. Okay guys, I want to see what the chicken, I think the chicken finished now. Oh yes, chicken looking good, guys. Oh yes. Okay guys, I'm gonna try, the dinner is ready, so I'm going to share out the food, you know. Yes, Mr. Bailey, food nice?
Oh yes, it's chop up.
Oh my God. Is it good?
Yes, I hate the soft one because it's weird.
That's cold food,
Daddy,
Joe.
look! I hate cow foot.
You don't want to eat the foot of the cow?
I thought pepper barbecue.
Daddy, just the chicken?
What, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Mickey, eat up, okay? Mickey, what happened to your plantain? Are you able to eat it already?
Eat it already.
Okay, guys. I'm going to eat my Sunday dinner right now. Looking so delicious. Guys, we'll try the cow foot, no? The cow foot is so good. Gummy. And nice. Look there. Well seasoned.
This looks tasty.
Joe, you don't want to eat your cow foot? Why not? You gonna turn into a cow? You think so? Joe said he doesn't want to eat the cow foot because he's gonna turn into a cow. But what happens if you eat the chicken?
You turn into a chicken. Hey, yo!
Guys, my chicken was a success. See there? Everybody plate. I just bone me assist. Chicken bone, that means say the chicken was a success, guys. I would think me couldn't fry the chicken. Now call no name. Just a say. The chicken was. Mickey, you climbing? Good. Keep going. Go, Mickey, go. Get your feet up, Mickey. Don't let Jojo win you, Mickey. Keep going. Keep going. Are you stuck, Mickey? Yeah. Go, Mickey. Whee! Good job, Michaela. Go up, Mickey. Go up. Go up. Look what you're doing, Mickey. Get your feet up. Good. Almost there, Mickey. Good job, Mickey. Yeah! Come on, Joe, get it, man. Yes, Joe, yes. Oh, Joe, good job, Joe. You got a kick, Joe, yeah. You knew it. High five, buddy. Oh, Mickey, can you stop rolling like people in grass? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.